My name is Princess Joy Hamor. I am your unaccredited competency assessor for electrical installation and maintenance, install lighting, fixtures, switches, and CPU. Don't need to worry about their presence. They are here only to observe the conduct of the assessment and ensure that everything follows TESDA's official methodology and standards. They will not evaluate you. Before we start, let me first check attendance. When your name is called, please present your admission slip. You are competent in the unit, install wiring devices of floor and wall, mounted lighting, fixtures, switches, and auxiliary outlets. Based on industry standards set under of the training regulation for electrical installation maintenance, NC2. If you are found competent, you may receive a certificate of competency COC for this unit or a national certificate NC2 once all or core units are passed. The tasks you are required to perform includes preparing the client and workstation, performing the complete install, lighting, fixtures, switches, conducting post-service activities. Evidence collection will be thorough. 1. The demonstration observation. I will use the observation checklist to rate your performance. Number 2. Oral questioning. After your demonstration, I will ask questions to verify your underlying knowledge. Assessment rules. Maximum performance time is 1 hour. Observe all safety, sanitation, and OHS procedures at all times. No talking or communication with other candidates once the assessment starts. I will be observing from a distance and cannot assist or coach you. Safety reminder, all tools and materials must be properly organized before and after use and must be checked before starting the service. Do you have any special needs or require reasonable adjustment before we proceed?
No.
If none, I will now distribute the competency assessment agreement sheet. Please read and fill out the required fields. If none, I will distribute to the competency assessment agreement sheet. Please read and fill out the required fields. Thank you. Since you have completed the agreement form, you are now assigned as candidate number 1, Ms. Obinario. Other candidates may stay in the waiting area until it's quarter turn. So, nandito na tayo sa tools and equipment area. So, proceed na tayo sa instruction. Using the tools and materials, you are required to install lighting, fixtures, switches within 1 hour. I will observe your performance using the observation checklist. I will ask a few knowledge-based questions. You may call me only for clarification of instructions, not guidance. After questioning, I will provide your performance feedback. Do you have any questions?
No.
If none, you may begin. Are you done?
Yes.
Please proceed to the practical work area. You may start na. Are you done?
Yes.
Ano yung ginamit mo material? habang nag-ano ka install.
So, ginamit ko po yung screwdriver para mas hindi po siya magalaw and then para umilaw na rin po siya.
So now, let's proceed to institutional assessment area. Ms. Abinayo, you have performed the task within test-build standards. Congratulations. Please sign the rating sheet as acknowledgement of your result. You may claim your certification of competency from TESDA Office through here is your copy of the competency assessment result summary. I'm sorry, Ms. Mercado, you were rated not yet completed because di mo nakapasa yung rated na test. After 1 month of or when you feel prepared. Only the failed competent will be recessed. Thank you, Ms. Pereira, for observing this assessment.